Are you looking to search for candidates on Top Echelon? In this quick guide, we'll walk you through everything you need to know to start searching efficiently and effectively. Whether you're new to the platform or just looking for a few tips to streamline your process, this guide is for you. Top Echelon offers a robust candidate search feature that makes it easier to find the right talent for your needs. The first step to search for candidates is logging into your account. Once you're in, head to the Candidates tab in the navigation bar. From here, you'll be presented with a search bar and several filters to narrow down your search. Start by entering keywords related to the role you're hiring for. This can include job titles, skills, or even specific industries. The search function on Top Echelon is pretty advanced, so it will allow you to find candidates who match your exact needs. If you don't know exactly what you're looking for, that's okay. Top Echelon allows you to use broader search terms to see a wider pool of candidates. Next, refine your search using filters like location, experience level, and education. These filters are customizable, so you can set the parameters based on what's most important for the role you're hiring for. You can also filter by whether candidates are actively looking for new positions or if they are passive candidates. This is helpful if you're targeting a more specific type of talent. Once you've set your search parameters, hit the search button and you'll instantly see a list of candidates who meet your criteria. You can click on each profile to view their resume, skills, and contact information. It's also possible to save candidates to your list for easy access later. One feature I really like about Top Echelon is the ability to connect with other recruiters. If you find a candidate you're interested in, but you need more information, you can reach out to other recruiters who may have worked with that candidate. This network of professionals can be a huge asset to finding the best candidate faster. Another valuable feature is the option to set up job alerts. If you're regularly searching for candidates in a particular field, Top Echelon can send you automated alerts when new candidates match your search criteria. This saves you time by notifying you of potential fits right away. Now, if you're brand new to Top Echelon, don't worry. You can try the software for free through the link in the description below. By using this exclusive offer, you'll also get some extra bonuses to help you make the most of the platform. Top Echelon search functionality is incredibly powerful, but it's only the beginning of what the platform offers. You can manage your candidates, post jobs, and even get access to a database of over 50 million candidates. By using these tools effectively, you'll be able to find the right talent in no time. Before we wrap up, remember that with this exclusive extended free trial, you'll be able to dive deeper into Top Echelon and discover all the features that make it the go-to solution for recruiting professionals. Don't miss out on this opportunity to try it risk-free. Check the first link in the description below, and happy recruiting.